Looks like you are hurting very badly, dear darling Virgos. As a tarot card reader with 20 years of experience, I can understand this agonizing pain, and we are going to be dealing with it. I'm going to try to give you any solutions if possible in this weekly tarot reading forecast. So I'm going to be talking about your career first, and then I'm going to be talking about your love life. Now, honestly, you're not really paying attention towards your career. You are paying more attention towards your health first and towards your love life. Now, uh, you're wanting, there is a possibility of international, something to do with either international trip or work opportunity which is international, or a client or a company itself which is international in nature. All right, it is already, the message is already, it's on the way. Literally, it's going to be coming in this week, for sure. Somehow there is a little bit of competition, that unnecessary competition and ego fights or battles that can be seen at work. All right, and someone and you are getting irritated like the literally, okay. And see, you are a very sharp person, okay, and anything, any bullshit and all, you do not you don't like it at all. It irritates the hell out of you. So that's what is also happening. You're making very good decisions, by the way, dear darling Virgos, because I think this is like, the peak of your intelligence, by the way. So you're a very diligent worker, dear darling Virgo. So don't worry about it, okay? Relax as much as possible. Now, there is a big possibility of you going to the doctors. There is a big possibility of you being in physical and mental pain as well, due to circumstances which are obviously not in your control. I mean, if they were, then this would not be happening in the first place, right? Now, physical strength is so important here, and mental strength also, to deal with this agonizing pain and the hurt that has been caused by so many things. All right, the lies and the deception that is there. Someone kept secrets from you and was lying to you, and either you got it or either they got it, and it is like, not the best, obviously, and it makes you feel really, really, really bad. And that's why you want to cut off someone immediately, and you just cut off someone and then you just want to move on, all right? But there are two things that are to be said, okay? One, I am not available, and the second thing is, you were the best thing in my life. Now I know who this is. You're paying attention towards your outward appearance. So there is self-indulgence, focusing on self-worth, trying to understand who you are, dear darling. Was a lot of shadow work and a lot of self-appreciation. For love is also still on the cards.